Hi, this lesson is about refactoring. Now we are going to use SonarLint, the SonarLint plugin, to check the code issues inside our classes. Let's go. It's time to click on this gear and then on plugins. Now click on marketplace and then SonarLint. SonarLint, great. Click on install. Wait a little bit to install this plugin. Great, now you'll see this restart IDE. Click on restart IDE and then restart. Great, now that we have SonarLint installed, we can simply wait a little bit. It will load the issues inside your classes. Now just check this SonarLint extension. You click on this tab and you'll see the issues in your file. There's a couple of issues, and looking at this student controller, we can change we can make some adjustments. For example, there is this /student that we don't want to repeat inside all the methods, so we are going to use annotation request mapping and then use here student. Great. Now if you put this request mapping annotation on the student controller, it will automatically say that all the methods inside this student controller, they will start with student. So for example, for student get mapping, when you remove this student, it will be /student/3 4 500 wherever. And great, now you can leave this /id. For this post mapping, it will be already with /student, so you can remove all of these, even here, and you can remove student from here. Great, this is great. Now let's look at look here. You have removed this field injection and use constructor injection instead. If you click on the problem, right click, jump to source, it will bring you to the source of the problem. And if you check this tab right here, you can see why is this an issue and read about it. How can you fix it? There's even a little example of a compliant solution, and here there are articles and blog posts about this problem. Now we're going to use the constructor injection instead of the field injection. Let's go with private final student service. Now if you read this, it will say variable student service might not have been initialized, but this is normal. You can just use the auto word annotation and you can invoke the constructor of this controller, student controller. Here we go with student service, and then we can use this student service equal student service, and now this field will be initialized. This is how you can inject your dependencies inside the controller.